Coach Miranda Minor, ang crypto coach na inyong maaasahan. Coach Miranda Minor, sa cryptocurrency kayo'y gagabayan. Coach Miranda Minor, hangarin na lahat ay matulungan. Pagmamahal at culture of malasakit sa kanya'y mararamdaman.
Maraming salamat guys. I love you 3,000.
Trading is never easy, but who says we cannot have fun? As you grow in this industry, Miranda, surround yourself with people and community that will hold you accountable, grow you as a trader. Mahirap sa una pero I'm sure darating ang panahon you're gonna be very successful. Malayo pa pero malayo ka na, Miranda. I love you 3,000.
Subscribe, like, follow, and share. Sige na please, Miranda. Subscribe, like, follow, and share. Sige na please, Miranda. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you the one and only, the voice that introduced, pitikin kita sa ilong, isang hampas na lang ng palakol, the power of yet. Please, let's give it up to our pambansang crypto coach, Coach Miranda Minor.
All right. Hello, Miranda. Good morning, good evening. How are you? Isang magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. My name is Coach Miranda Minor and welcome to another edition of our cryptocurrency technical analysis fundamentals exclusive interviews and everything about crypto all in one channel. Alright, Miranda, kung nasa naman kayo ngayon, I hope you're actually doing well tonight because it's raining heavily everywhere in the Philippines. I hope you're all doing well. Stay dry and use this time to get something new from an information perspective. Let's all learn today because I have a very special guest, the CBO of Deeplink Technology, who is actually with us in our show for tonight. We're gonna be asking questions, no? Marami tayong tanong, questions all around, the Deeplink protocol, the Deeplink software, their first phase of the public sale, their KYC, etc. And I would like to really understand. That's why, we have a guest for tonight. You guys know that I love technology so much. Used to work for Google. So I would like to understand their blockchain technology. I would like to understand how are they, able to achieve ultra low latency in gaming because I'm a gamer myself. And we're gonna be talking a lot more for today's episode. So if you would like to learn, you are a gamer, this show is for you, Miranda. I would like to really learn about the technology and obviously the tokenomics of the token behind the gaming technology itself. Hello to all our Miranda watching for tonight. Magandang gabi. Tawagin na po lahat ng Miranda. And of course, in our episode for tonight, you have a chance to also take home 10,000 DLC tokens for you. Wait for my instructions in a few. I'm gonna be giving instructions today together with Varon, our guest. So please hold on to that. We have up for grabs a total of 500,000 DLC tokens and you can get a chance to get 10,000 DLC tokens part of that pool. So just need to wait for my instructions, Miranda. All right, let's do this. You are listening.
You are listening to Coach Miranda Minor in his daily crypto live.
Okay, let's do this. Hello, hello to our Camerana. Without further ado, I would like to introduce to you my guests, my guest, my guests for tonight. No, we have none other than Varon. All right, Varon. Hey, you are live in the show. Let's say hi to our audience, Varon. Hello.
Hi everyone, it's nice to be here. Good to see you all.
Thank you for being with us. I know you're a very busy man. And Varun, where are you based in India?
I'm based out of Bangalore, India.
Nice. Okay. And and as I was talking to you offline, I used to work in a company based in India. It's Sutherland Global Services. And I've been in India a couple of times already. I've been in Chennai, in
Oh,
other
that's
parts
good.
of India. Yeah, I love the place. I love the food, And Varun, prior to becoming the CBO of Deeplink, what was your background? Talk to us about your background, Varun.
I graduated in Bachelor of Business Administration and I have worked in sales, business development, uh, and operations. And I had co-founded one of the company, and I worked in many crypto projects as well, NFT projects as well. Uh, then I later joined to Deeplink because even I didn't have a high-end PC, so this was very intruding to me because they were building a software which wanted to solve all the problems of who didn't have any high-end PC.
And what
So
is
I
what is
was
INPC for those layman that what's watching right now?
basically INPC means $1,500 or $2,000 who are able to afford, but many of the majority of the gamers don't have a INPC, so they have a potato laptop or something
Right.
like that. Yeah, so that's where our software comes.
And INPC is very important because guys, you see Nvidia's stock right now is crazy, right? They're already the highest market capitalization, $3 trillion. Imagine how many people are buying memory, GPU, etc. And that's what you're trying to solve for in Deeplink. You don't need to buy $2,000 worth of memory and to make to speed up your gaming resolution, etc. That's what you're trying to solve for. Isn't that correct?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, sounds good. Okay. So, by the way, for those who have questions, please park your questions for now. We're going to be reading them in a few. All right. Okay. So, before I start the program, let me just do the instructions for our contest. Okay. For our raffle, if you don't mind. Varun, just give me a second.
Yeah, sure.
All right, so I'm actually showing my screen right now, Kamiranda. What you just need to do is to open deeplink.cloud. This is the URL. Please see this one. And then it will automatically tell you somewhere within this area to connect your wallet. So just connect your MetaMask wallet. Connect it only, okay? No need to do anything. And then get a screenshot of that and get a screenshot of you watching our live, and please share the screenshot in the Telegram channel that I'm going to post below. You can join their Telegram channel. It's up to you. And when you join the Telegram channel, please send them a screenshot of you watching our live and you connecting your wallet, and you have a chance to get 10,000 DLC tokens to be credited in your wallet, Kamiranda. Alright? Type 1 kung naiintindihan yan. All right. Give me a second. I'm going to chat to put the Telegram channel in the chat room. All right. Okay. So let's talk about DLC. Okay? So Varun, in the give me a I know what you spoke about INPC, but talk to me. Give me a brief overview of what is the mission of Deeplink in crypto and in the gaming industry.
So let me give you a quick intro. Deeplink is a decentralized AI gaming software where you can play high-end games on your low-end laptop without any expensive hardware. So one of our major components are ultra-low latency, 24 hours refresh rate, and 24 hours without lagging. So there are many things. So can I share the screen in order to present the?
Oh yeah, you can share. Actually, I'm sharing it right now in our screen. Or as you were talking, I'm sharing your website and the second-hand laptop being used with the
Yeah, yeah.
Deeplink cloud. Yeah.
Can I share or have you
You
shared
you
it?
can you can share. Please go ahead.
Just give me a second. Are you able to see, guys?
Yep, we're seeing your screen right now, sir.
Just give me a second. So this is very potato laptop where
Okay.
he will be able to play GTA 5 on his laptop.
That is an
As
old laptop.
the
Okay. Hmm.
Yeah, this is a software where he has downloaded Deeplink software. You need to download on the both the devices as well. You will get a remote device and password.
Okay.
You need to download from the other person device as well. Once you are connected, you will be able to access all his computer and you will be able to play all the high-end games. You can see there's no lag or anything.
In your old laptop, you
Yeah,
just you just need to
it's
have an
basically
internet.
a $20 laptop.
$20. Is there a $20? Is there a
Yeah,
$20
it's
laptop
very
in?
that's a second or third handle laptop.
Oh yeah, you're right because it still has USB. It's very
Yeah,
old, man. And
it's
there's
completely remote. It's completely wireless. You can access anywhere across the world. As you can see, is able to access very high end games. You can see there's no lag or anything.
okay. So okay, just let me just repeat that. So I mean, secondhand laptop, just download the software which is deeplink.cloud in your website, which I have already. And then once you're connected and from the other person's side, then you can already play high end games. This is what you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, sounds good. All right. So, why do you think this is important? Do you see a lot of laptops not used, but gamers who cannot play? Is there a problem here? I mean, are we solving big problems here? You
Yes,
think,
it's
Peru?
a very big problem because GPU cannot be met every 50 kilometers. It needs to have, thousands of, internet connection data
Sorry.
centers, GPU establishment centers. That's where our software comes in. Through the blockchain technology, we are able to give them, seamlessly remote control cloud gaming service. Let me give you a hint. As you can see, is able to play.
Nice. Oh wow, that's GTA, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
and you can see. Just give me a second. He's playing on his low-end laptop with his high-end games. This
are
is
you
the
are you
internet
running
cafe
your
dashboard.
are you running your laptop on Deep Link right now?
Yeah, yeah, it's here, but I will show it.
You
I'm not running it.
are you connected to Deep Link?
No, no, no,
You
no, no,
okay? You're
not yet,
not.
not yet.
You're not lagging, man. I mean, it's not even when you play the video. It's very fast.
Yeah, wait, let me show you. You can see he's playing high-end games on his low-end laptop. There's not even single lag. So
Mm-hmm.
let me show you this. This is the internet cafe dashboard where
Oh, so are you like borrowing a GPU?
yes, yes, there's an ecosystem we have tied up with
Okay.
to,
Because I have RTXs. I'm a crypto miner, and I use RTX, the red ones, not
yeah,
the Nvidia ones, not the green ones.
that's
So,
great. So if you are able to provide GPU for the ultra low latency, you'll be able to mine DLC tokens as well. This
oh
is the
really?
yeah.
Oh.
This is Deeplink Internet Cafe dashboard where you can, access all the high-end games just by sitting at your home. You just need to pay in, few amounts in DLC tokens, and you're able to rent the games to, let's say, 1 hour or 10 hours or 2 3 hours based on your requirement.
So basically that's how you play. How it's okay. So that's the purpose of the DLC token. You can use the DLC token to rent
Yeah.
the okay, got it. Okay, and how much
let,
DLC
let,
right now?
let me tell you everything. So these are the internet cafes. We have partnered more than 25 to 30 internet cafes across the globe. There are nearly 200,000 internet cafe esports hotels across the globe. So let me show you once again. This is the cloud gamify section, which we have launched right
Oh,
now.
there's God of War,
All the,
nice. Please
where
tell me
all
you
the
can play NBA 2000 here.
Yeah, where all the blockchain games will be here. You don't need to download any games. It's an inbuilt in software. Once Deeplink token is live, you're able to rent those games, and you'll be able to, play high end games also. There will be many centralized games also in near time.
Okay.
So this is our mining machine.
Okay.
This is our PSP console. This is the gamify section.
That's inside the Deep Link network.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And this is Deeplink PC. It's completely ultra low latency PC.
Wait, are
And
you selling these things in the hardware pieces as well?
yeah, yeah, we have partnered with many. They are selling separately.
Okay. Okay.
This is the software. Once you need to go to deeplink.cloud. Once you download our software, you need to create my wallet. Once you create my wallet, you will get this. You can, wait, let me show you. You need to go to device ID here. Wait, this remote assist here. You'll be having many of the device IDs here. You need to download in other person devices as well. Once you get the ID and password, you are ready to play. You are connected to, you are able to access all the other person computer, and you're ready to play. And this is the gamify section where all the blockchain games is live right here, where you can play without any high end laptop itself. If you have low end laptop also, you can play all the sandbox and Axie Infinity, etc.
Yeah.
through our software. And
So
this is
so so hold Varun, sorry.
yeah.
So in your is it possible you go to the live environment while you're here? So can you demo it to us, because I want to see how it looks like inside. Is it possible? I don't want to put you on the spot. Sorry.
Let me try, because I'm not, I haven't tried myself, playing this. Yeah, you can
But so
see
that's
this.
inside already. Is
Yeah,
that?
yeah, it's inside
Oh,
already.
you're inside. You don't need to play, right? But I just want to make sure that you show to us that you're inside the network
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
of DLC
Basically,
already.
it will be completely inbuilt. We are still building these things. Many futures will be added, and these are the coming soon games, Blood Loop and etc. And this is the NFT. If you want to, if you want to have high resolution of deep link software, you need to have a licensed version of NFT. We recently launched this NFT. You need to have DLC tokens. That's $6 per month. Everything will be in DLC token. You need to purchase NFT through DLC tokens. So
So
yeah,
can you show that? Can you go back to the part where you're showing us that we can rent for around $10 DLC the RTX, if you don't mind? I think that's a very good.
yeah. Wait, just give me a second. Yeah.
Just go back one more. I think the one that has.
I get it. Internet cafe section, right?
Yeah.
Just give me a second.
That
Yeah.
that one. Okay, so this is inside the Deep Link software.
Yeah. It's
Okay.
built in.
So are you saying that they can rent it for 1 hour. Today it's $10 Korean value.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So how do I get into the software? How do I get the software in my laptop today?
You need to go to deeplink.cloud.
Okay.
This is the software.
Mm-hmm.
You
Then
just
click.
need to download the software and
Okay.
you're ready to go. You just need to create my wallet. Once you create the my wallet, and you need to download from the other person devices as well. So you're ready.
Okay, I'm downloading as well right now. Okay, all right, sounds good. Okay, and from there, what's inside is that. Okay, gotcha. All right. So let's talk about um, technology, right? So why is ultra low latency in game rendering important? I think it's a
So
very obvious
yeah,
question.
yeah, yeah. Are you able to see?
No, we're back to you're not sharing anything.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. You can ask me the question. So basically, see what we are trying to solve is global coverage of GPU infrastructure. Cloud gaming requires very expensive coverage in the cloud industry, and due to the speed of light limitation of data transmission, and there's an inherent latency in network transmission. The user needs to have very big a very big hardware or expensive hardware. Thus we have created this software enhancing very user experience and deducting 5 ms of the encoding and decoding network transmission. And second one is cost of challenge of GPU infrastructure to meet global demand of the cloud gaming and cloud gaming internet cafe. Investments of tens and millions of the GPU needs to be server every 50 kilometers, and operation cost is required. And this is where Deeplink solves here.
And you need
Anyone.
to upgrade, right? Because I'm an RTX user. If I want to mine more, I need to have the better RTXs, right?
Yeah.
So in Deep Link, question there is, is it on demand? So for example, a while ago you've shown $10 for 1 hour. Is it on demand or there's a subscription model that you guys
No,
have?
see, there are a few things. One is through internet cafe. Let me come back to that. Let me come back to your question. So that's where blockchain technology can accelerate. In return to for the miners utilizing their GPU to provide the service. By giving them the DLC token rewards. And third one is bandwidth challenge to meet cloud gaming billions of users globally. A large amount of bandwidth is required. It is centralized company. It needs to deploy tens of millions of traffic nodes. So it's costly. So where in blockchain mechanism, tokens will be incentivized. So miners will be happy. So the problems is solved. Fourth is enhancing the experience of high quality gaming graphics through our AI technology. Super resolution technology can reduce the hardware rendering requirement, enabling uh, high definition quality transmission, and improving player user experience. So these are the main factors. What we are trying to do. So let's say, see, there are few models in Deep Link. Let me come to that.
Okay.
In the internet cafe, if you partner with a Deep Link internet cafe, whereas there will be a reducing cost of nearly about 80%. Hardware internet cafes, no, we are trying to triple their profit through our technology.
Okay. 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 Sounds good. So you said earlier that you mentioned about internet cafe and cloud gaming platforms over traditional. Um, so it looks like it's gonna be one all-in-one machine, all-in-one machine, and a handheld console for gamers, right? For gamers.
Yeah.
So aside from gamers, are there any other potential users of the technology? So I
So
got the question from our community. They were saying, can you use cloud mining using using borrowed GPU? Is that possible?
yes, yes, it's possible. So let me tell you what how Deeplink software is, constructed in many way. One is through gaming companies, internet cafes, and PC integration of Deeplink and gaming handheld console. And first is gaming companies assisting, gaming companies in transforming regular games into the cloud games. Nearly there are 3 billion gaming users across the world. So next one is internet cafe. There are esports internet hotels across the globe, nearly 200,000 internet cafe. So we will, we are, reducing cost nearly about 80% in terms of GPU hardware and tripling their net profit. And third one is cloud gaming PC integration hardware, where allowing individual players to comfortably play AAA games,
Yes.
in ultra low latency. And fourth one is cloud gaming handle console manufacturers. By integrating deep link protocol, they can provide handheld gaming devices at 30% of the traditional gaming, cloud gaming console in custom reduction. So there are many things.
Okay. Okay. So how does the Deep Link compare to traditional gaming console like Xbox and PlayStation in terms of cost and performance?
I didn't get you exactly. Could you
So
repeat your?
how does the Deep Link compare to the traditional gaming consoles like Xbox and PlayStation in terms of cost and performance? Is there a difference? If I have an Xbox or a PlayStation, why will I try to do Deep Link?
See, when deep link protocol of what offers is, 30% of the price of the traditional handles with the game, exceeding, the cost is 5 times. So whereas in when you use the deep link protocol technology, there's a cost reduction nearly about 30%.
30%. Okay. Okay, I'm writing down some notes here. Okay. So right now, obviously, Nvidia is the biggest company in the whole world in terms of market cap in the stock market. I just saw the news earlier. I'm sure that there is a market size, there's a potential market on this that Deep Link can penetrate. How do you plan to capture this significant share of the high-end AAA gaming market, Varun?
One is through AAA games, internet cafe. The gaming in India and across the Asian countries is very huge. In my country itself, there are nearly 300 million users. So currently we have Windows version. We are releasing next month. We are planning to release Android version as well of Deep Link, where you can play in mobile itself. And we are releasing iOS Mac version, Vision Pro version this year. So there are many things coming in the lane. So this will create a huge demand for us. The market is very big, where billions of users are there. We have tied up with many gaming, calls as well. They are, continuously promoting our, software, and all the gamers are very interactive in our community. They're constantly asking, about the renting the games, etc. So we can see the huge demand for the deep link software.
Okay. I'm writing some notes. Okay, got it. All right. So, I know that you guys will have more partnerships and collaborations, but talk to us about your current collaboration with companies like Hycon, Zest Cloud, Glowsteam, and Tikarin. Talk to us about that, Varun.
So basically, they are the internet cafe partners, and they are, Hycons is a very big GPU company in South Korea, and they are also the investors of DeepLink. And there are many internet cafe, Glow internet cafes, just internet cafe. These are the internet cafes we have partnered, and we plan to expand, across the globe through our, giving technical service to the internet cafes.
And I heard from from I think it was Jane or your Korean boss that you guys are planning to go in the Philippines to visit some internet cafe. So that's good. That's good. Um, all right. So from a user and community engagement, how's your user base right now?
So we have more than 500,000 users right now.
Okay.
Monthly active users nearly about more than 200K, and daily active users more than 100K.
So these are the primarily gamers,
Yeah,
Varun.
yeah. Primarily, these are Web 2, first class Web 2 users. We are, trying to teach them through blockchain, this thing also. So there will be several utilities, as in NFT buying, as in, license-based NFT, and we collect, cloud gaming internet cafe fees from the internet cafes per computer. And in that commission, 40% of the DLC will be burnt in real time. So there are many things.
And I forget to ask this. This is a very good one. So I'm assuming there's a mobile version of your application, Varun.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's rolling out next month.
Next month. Got it. Okay. All right. So I'm showing in the screen right now almost 552,109 users. So that's good. What are the feedback that you're getting so far from the users? There's already 500,000. What are you
Yeah.
getting so far?
So users are very much concerned, for the DLC cloud gaming rental. So many of the, gamers actually made a group, and, they are already renting through their normal currency itself by using our software. That's very great to hear. And they are waiting for the Gamify and other applications as well. They are mainly waiting for the mobile versions as well. So we are launching that.
Next month.
So, yeah.
Okay, got it. So I got a good question from Ray Diokno. He asked, if the internet cafe has 100 unit, does it also need 100 Deeplink accounts or just one?
Just one.
Okay, got it. All right. Okay. So talk to us about the community incentive, complimentary home GPU gaming mining machine for people that would love to buy big DLC purchases. Do you have those types of incentives, Varun?
Yes, yes. So basically, who purchases nearly about $60,000 DLC tokens, $60,000 worth of DLC tokens, they will be, we will send home mining machine as well. They can, earn and play as well. It's a combination of both. So yeah, and our Deeplink public sale is live. If anyone is, interested, today the public sale live went. Yesterday, so you can, get your KYC done, and you're able to purchase DLC tokens. The minimum purchase comes around 150 USDT to $60,000. And we plan to list in August. Out of top 12 exchanges, we have confirmed with 7 exchanges. So yeah.
So hang on a
And we
second. That's a big news. I'm putting it on the last last part, the listing part. Okay. So you guys have plans. By the way, Camiranda, before we go with the big news, I've shown in my screen Telegram of Deeplink. So we have Camirandas already sending screenshots of them watching our live and screenshots of their DLC wallet. So please do that if you would like to win free 10,000 DLC tokens up for grabs. We're going to give away 500,000 DLC tokens in the show. Every winner can get 10,000 portion of that 500,000 DLC tokens. So please go ahead. I typed down already in the link the Telegram group of DLC. So please, if you don't have it yet, I'm going to retype it again. So please join their Telegram group. I'm gonna be chatting it right now there at the bottom. All right. Okay. Let's now go with the big news. All right. So we're talking about DLC token listing.
Ikaw ay nakikinig kay Coach Miranda Miner sa Daily Crypto Live.
So talk to me about the exciting news. You guys have plans to list. Talk to us in details your plans for listing DLC both on the decentralized exchange and centralized exchanges for the public sale. Please talk to us about that.
Yeah, so let me tell you the tokenomics first.
Sure.
Only people who participate in public sale will be able to sell on the day of listing. Only 40% of the tokens will be unlocked on the day of listing, and 10% will be unlocked 10% per month, 6 months linearly vested. So only public will be able to sell. And we have partnered with NVIDIA Inception program, and we have partnered with IoTex as well. And we will be listing in majority of the exchange. We will be listing around 7 to 8 exchange in August, and we plan to list more exchanges in this year as well. So we are completely prepared for bull run, and we are doing the KYC thing because of the legal structure. We want to go in very right way because a deep link protocol is built nearly over 4 to 5 years on the R&D of 11 to 12 years. So this is not just a written code or something. Only in the blockchain space, only we are doing this. There are multiple use cases we are doing. We are solving in internet cafes. So there are many things, in deep link software. Even though if you don't buy, what we want is to have a huge support to us. There will be many airdrops as well. You can participate and you can ask all your questions. If you have any questions regarding the public sale, our community admins are very much helpful, and they are ready to answer all your questions.
So speaking of admins in Telegram, the admin is already answering some of the questions. For example, how can they win the the 10,000 DLC tokens? So please go in Telegram and ask your questions there, because I cannot answer them right now because I'm obviously my hands are full, as we have our very special guest in our show for tonight. Okay, so talk to us. So obviously you're gonna be raising some funds in the on the public sale. How are you
Yeah.
going to use those funds to enhance the deep link ecosystem and further kind of go with that loop?
So 10 to 30% of the raised fund from the public round will be used for the DEX liquidity,
Okay.
and rest will be used for the for the marketing purpose for the gaming. Our project is we want to expand all over. Our software is currently being used in 110 countries now.
Okay.
We would like to have more marketing, and we would like to have more sponsoring in esports hotel, and we would like to partner with we want to recruit, as we have a team over more than 50 to 60 people. 40 people are working full time and 20 people are working as part time. So our team is very big, and we want to launch the as many products as possible in terms of the software, in inbuilt software, I want to say. So we develop AR infrastructure as well, AR VR headset infrastructure as well. So there are many multiple things being going on in deep link ecosystem, but our main primary focus is to bring all the web 2 users into web 3 users through our Android software or Mac software or etc. We need to have many software rollings out this year and coming year as well.
Okay. Okay. So sounds good. So by August you'll be listed on centralized exchanges. Do you have a date on listing for DEX?
After public sale, rolls out, finishes after the 7 days of, the sale finish, that, we will be launching on DEX, and then we will be going directly on six listing.
Okay. Well, do you have a DEX name already, and where you're gonna be, or you were
No,
gonna?
that's confidential, but we will definitely do that.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it. Okay. All right. So 7 days after the public sale. So the phase one is going to happen on the next 22 hours.
Yeah,
Until
yeah.
until when is your public sale?
So we will, close all the public sale by the August first week, I guess, probably, or July end.
Okay.
We have plans to make it, completely live because of the major demand. User want to participate, in a KYC and public sale. So we are planning many things and giving them, a benefit of homing mining machine if they purchase around $60,000 or anything like that.
Got it. Okay. All right. Give me a second. Let me just try to um, double check. All right. Okay. So I'm gonna be getting questions from the community, and we're gonna be reading their questions if you don't mind.
Yeah, definitely.
Varoon. All right.
You are listening to Coach Miranda Miner in his daily crypto live.
All right. So first question is from Kandre TG. Is it safe to download it on our device? Of course.
Yes,
Why will you not say
definitely.
yes? No. Go ahead.
Definitely.
Okay. Um, how does Deeplink from Gani? How does Deeplink ensure the security and integrity of its remote cloud solution, especially during a TGE?
See, our security smart contracts, audited data security, 256-bit AES stands in, encryption transmission of the entire process of confidentiality. Second one is connection through DTLS point two protocol, protection and authorizing before accessing. Third one is device security according to according to your settings, only correspondence will be able to access the device. And fourth one is account security, multi-layer account protection mechanism based on blockchain technology. Fifth one is shared games. Through the security sandbox mechanism, only user will be able to, access the game. Other than that, he will be not able to, use anything in the controlling laptop.
Okay. Can we use CAD applications and or video editing? Can we use it for video editing?
Yes, yes. Many people are using for work from home as well. Professional white collars can be, are using in terms of Photoshop, and we have peripheral support as well. You will be able to use many things.
Okay. Is Deeplink? Of course, I think the answer is not. So, but I want you to know this question: is Deeplink limited only to games? I think you already have answered this, but please go ahead.
Yeah, but it's only for gaming purpose. Mainly, our primary focus is only for all bringing Web 2 users into Web 3 users, creating more utility to the tokens because all the gamers needs to have DLC token in order to buy NFTs or to rent the games or any etc. So we are mainly focusing on and our software is very ultra low latency, so all the Web2 users loves our software very much. So you are seeing the support from them as well.
So, question from Charles: what sets Deeplink protocol apart from the other AI cloud gaming protocol? Is there a difference?
I didn't. Can you come again?
What sets Deeplink protocol apart from the other AI cloud gaming protocol? I mean, what's the difference? Do you have any value differentiator than the existing cloud gaming protocols? So why will they try you? Why not render another protocol, right? Why will they try Deeplink?
See, one is ultra low latency. Second one is high resolution. Third one is high refresh rate, 24, 244 Hz. And fourth one is 24 hours, without lag. Based on this key, these four killer features, Deep Link has many much, unparalleled, remote gaming interactive experience. And second one is the machine is provided in decentralized way to, to solve the problem of machine source. Problem faced by traditional GPU servers cannot be cannot met global users, cannot cover all the global users. To satisfy all the global users, the GPU server data needs to be established every 50 kilometers. 10,000 of data centers needs to be around around the world need to meet the users. So that's where deep link comes in solution, trust problem by blockchain technology, allowing any user across the world to share their gaming device and and their mobile device to experience unparalleled gaming experience.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, so let's. One more question here is, uh, give me a second. What blockchain network does your project utilize?
So it's a DBC network. So one is Ethereum, one is BNB, and one is DBC.
And DBC is your in-house.
Yeah, DBC.
Okay. All right. Is the speed of your cloud rendering dependent on the local internet connection?
No, 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 not at all. If you have 15 Mbps also, that's fine.
So the
You know
15
you'll be good.
Mbps is okay, huh?
Yeah.
Are you on Deep Link right now?
No, not yet, not yet.
Not yet. You just need to try it to prove. All right. Anyways,
I can prove right now itself in live. If you give me your device ID and password, I can prove. But that will be very confidentiality because everyone now wants it.
all right. Okay, sounds good. Okay. Uh, what are the challenges that you face today in Deep Link, and how do you face? How do you plan to resolve them? I think that's a question from Delo.
Yeah, that's very good question. We are facing a problem of Web 2 users coming into Web 3 users. They don't know much about blockchain. So every day we are trying to teach them through the tutorial videos, to connecting with gaming pools. So they are exploring all the blockchain possibilities. One is now they are learning how to create a wallet, and how to what is the DLC tokens, what is the crypto, what is the asset, what is the digital asset, and many things. So we don't have much problem in terms of Deeplink software. So yeah, because we are very much concerned in legal barriers. So so we are going in a very restricted, right direction.
So you're in India, and I spoke to Jane. She is in Korea. Where is your headquarters for Deeplink?
Singapore.
In Singapore. Wow. Okay. So another question, Francis from Francis Ray. Can we use Deeplink when rendering architectural plans?
Yes, yes, definitely you can do that.
You can. Okay. Anything that you need to speed up your computer, I guess, or anything you need where you need a GPU is where you can use Deeplink.
Nothing that's not important, or you need to have access of the other person device, and you're ready to go. You can access anywhere across the globe.
Okay. All right. Okay. So on that note, really informative guesting, and I really appreciate the conversation. Um, Varun, invite our audience, and where can they follow you guys in your social media? Please invite us in your ongoing public sale, and floor is yours. Please go ahead.
Yeah. So Deeplink, you can just visit in deeplink.cloud. Our public sale is live. Get your KYC, and you are able to buy immediately DLC tokens. And please follow us on Telegram, Twitter, and join our community in Telegram, Discord, etc. So we have very strong community as well. So I hope everyone supports the project and sees the value of the project.
All right, sounds good. On that note, Varun, I always ask this for people who are in my show. I hope you can indulge us. Can you say, I love you 3000 Kamiranda? Kamiranda is my follower, not me. Okay? Can you just
I
say
love
that to our...
you 3000 Kamiranda.
Okay, hang on. One more time. Hang on, one more time. Okay. Go ahead.
I love you 3000 Kamiranda.
All right. Hey, on that note, I appreciate your support, and thank you very much, Varun, and have a good rest of your day. Good luck to you, the launch of Deeplink, and say hi to Jane as well and to the rest of your team. Okay.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks for spending your valuable time listening to this AMA round, and I really appreciate everyone. And I hope to see you in our community, and having a very healthy conversation over there. See you all. Thank
All
you,
right.
and
See you.
thank you, Miranda, for the interview. Thanks for your time.
All right. Thank you very much.
Subscribe, like, follow, and share. Sige na please, Kamiranda. Subscribe, like, follow, and share. Sige na please, Kamiranda.
All right, guys. That ends our show. For tonight, again, thank you, Deeplink. And again, please, if you would like to get 10,000 DLC tokens, please go to the Telegram of Deeplink. I have it down at the chat room below, and please share that you're watching our live, and also create their wallet and share your wallet address to them so they can credit to you the 10,000 DLC tokens. Kamiranda, I'm gonna be having another live. Please join me. I'm gonna be doing some market review and charting at 10 o'clock. No, few minutes from now, I will see you on another live. Kamiranda, I love you 3000, and thank you very much, DLC. God bless you, and shalom. Hello mga Kamiranda, maraming salamat po sa inyo dahil tinapos yung ating content for today. Kung kayo po ay merong natutunan at tingin nyo ang inyong mga kapamilya, kamag-anak, kapuso, kapatid ay makikinabang sa ating content, please don't forget to click on like, subscribe, and of course, i-follow nyo na rin kami sa aming mga social media channels mga Kamiranda. Ito po ay makakatulong para we can further disseminate our content to the larger population. Muli, maraming salamat po. Shalom.